Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Apps Every Day. And today we're not going to be taking a look at an entire app, but a specific thing that I know a lot of people are curious on how to do, which is that kind of image manipulation where you can take a really old photo of someone and have them start to move. It was, blowing up on TikTok a handful of weeks or months ago. And so I just want to show you how to do it. So it's going to be inside the 𝗦𝗧𝗨𝗙𝗙 app. And so if you open that up, you basically just need to add a photo first. And so I've added this old photo of my great-grandfather here. And there's actually a couple new features. One I want to point out first is if you hit the magic wand icon in the top middle, it's actually going to do a new photo repair. So this photo wasn't terrible to begin with, but if it has a lot of big, heavy scratches or just kind of washed out, anything like that, I can see that the after is adding contrast and sharpness to it, as well as it is trying to take away that line in the top left. It's not taking away the whole thing. Someone like Photoshop would do a better job at that. But we can see it's starting to fade the crack a little bit, especially towards the bottom in the hairline. We can also see on his jacket, it's smoothing it out a little bit. So yeah, again, this photo is not terrible. But, definitely the teeth and mouth get cleaned up quite a bit. So that's pretty cool. So it'll do that. And then to do the fancy motion thing is going to be right to the left of that. It looks like a little ball with, lines coming out of it for motion. So if I tap on that, then we're going to see a initial animation. And if you tap the animation number 1 at the top, you actually get a lot of different stuff. And this is actually brand new. This is cool. So you can get special animations. And so if you want to get like a kiss in there, it's going to take a couple seconds and do the animation. Now, this is a really cool addition because before the animation 1 and 2, those you couldn't really change anything yourself. So if I go back to animation 2 here, oh, hit a paywall. That's not fun. So yeah, the numbered animations at the top are all kind of just random, whereas these special ones at the top are kind of just more specific, which is really cool, I think. Let's see what approval looks like. See, it only lets you play with it for a couple seconds. And then you unfortunately have to pay. But this is really cool. And if you do this and as like a gift for your loved ones, you'd be surprised how amazing their reactions can be. So definitely give it a shot in the description down below. Comment what app I should check out next. And don't forget to come back tomorrow for another Apps Every Day.